Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of April, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.69. Now, let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the exchange-traded fund has exceeded our system's expectations, achieving a gain of 0.11%. This equates to an average return of 0.05% per day since its classification as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely. Analyzing the current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 14.25% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -20.75% to -10.10%. In terms of long-term projections, our 12-month analysis indicates an anticipated change of about 11.49%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance may vary between 5.65% and 32.14% over the next year. This suggests that the future price could fall within a range of $511.08 to $639.19. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, "Green Day on Thursday for VOO ETF after gaining 0.106%. The VOO ETF price increased by 0.106% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, rising from $483.23 to $483.74. During this trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.46% with a low of $481.31 and a high of $488.36. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 2.11% over this period. Volume fell on the last day by 737,000 shares, with a total of 6 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.66 billion. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $442.80. Currently, the price is 14.22%, or $80.16, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Concerns over a sustained loss of momentum in the S&P 500 are shaping market sentiment today. Investor Katie Stockton from Fairlead Strategies has pivoted away from high-tech stocks, citing ongoing volatility and suggesting a wider consideration of sectors such as gold and bonds. With expectations of continued sluggishness throughout 2025, this indicates a cautious stance from investors, which may pressure the price of VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, in the short term. Potential forecasts predicting a sharp drop in the S&P 500 by 2,000 points due to economic headwinds and tariffs exacerbate this bearish sentiment. The S&P 500's current state reflects significant investor anxiety, and the overall market needs substantial positive news to stabilize. Wall Street strategists are notably downgrading their targets for the index, underlining the prevailing uncertainty. While VOO remains a go-to for long-term investors seeking stability, the recent calls for tactical adjustments and diversification highlight a shift in investor behavior. Many are reconsidering their portfolios amid market whiplash linked to geopolitical tensions. In the long term, VOO's fundamental strength tied to the S&P 500 could continue to appeal to investors focused on growth, but short-term volatility is likely to pose challenges for the ETF's price stability. The following signals have been identified for VOO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 6%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is identified. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even with rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, and these could influence the near-term development. The VOO ETF is generating sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative forecast. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there may be resistance at levels around $489.75 and $509.82. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots signaled a buy opportunity 8 days ago. Bollinger Bands also indicated a buy opportunity 8 days ago. Short-term moving average signaled a sell opportunity 3 days ago. Long-term moving average signaled a sell opportunity 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 37 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average indicated a sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell opportunity 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 29 days ago. To discover more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $465.52. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the fund fluctuated $7.05 between its high and low, which is approximately 1.46%. For the previous week, VOO experienced an average daily volatility of 2.11%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for VOO is at $494.16. If you do not currently hold any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the ETF, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $465.52. Should this support level hold firm, it might present a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. We hold a negative assessment for this exchange-traded fund, and a stop loss has not been established. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Currently, VOO presents several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly over the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this ETF. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price of VOO is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of April, we'll predict that VOO will open higher by approximately 73 cents and begin trading at $484.47. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.